what you need to know about today's down payment programs. If you are a buyer thinking about possibly looking for some grants or down payment assistance, you are in the right place. There's no denying it's been a little challenging for buyers with the influx of homeowners insurance and interest rates, and not to mention the appreciation of homes in general. It's been pretty tough for buyers. So a lot of buyers are seeking down payment assistance programs and also just government grants. If something like this would pique your interest, reach out to a few lenders that may actually have availability for some of these programs. Now, remember, not everybody will qualify, and not all of these programs are going to just be free and clear money. Some of these are actually grants that you will have to either stay in the home for so many years, and if not, you are required to pay these grants back. Some of them are just programs that give you assistance, and it's more of like a soft second where they give you the money and you have a second loan to get the money to put down. According to Bank of America Institute, they state that 53% of buyers state that they are in need of assistance into looking into some of these grants and programs that are available. So here is a list of options that are sites and places that you can go to see if you would qualify. Because remember, some of them are income driven, some of them are location, or just the demographics of the area. So not everyone and not everywhere will qualify for these specific programs. So the first step would be to reach out to a lender that has knowledge with some of these grants. So that way, before you start house shopping, reach out to the lender to see, one, if we qualify, two, what areas would you need to stay in, and once you are approved or the lender says that yes, you would be a good candidate for this type of program, then we can actually search for homes that meet the criteria of what the grant or program would allow you to purchase. So what exactly is down payment assistance? As the Mortgage Reports explains, down payment assistance, DPA, which is the abbreviation, programs offer loans and grants that cover part or all of a home buyer's down payment and closing costs. More than 2,000 of these programs are available nationwide. DPA programs vary by location, but many home buyers could be in line for thousands of dollars in down payment assistance programs if they qualify. And here is some more good news. On top of possibly being able to qualify for some of these grants or assistance programs, you may not need as much money as what you think when purchasing a home. A lot of people actually believe that you have to have 20% to put down on a house when purchasing, and today that is just not the case. First-time home buyers and repeat home buyers often qualify for these programs. So a lot of people technically call them first-time home buyer programs, but you do not have to be a first-time home buyer for a lot of these programs that are offered. So if you are inquiring about wanting to purchase a home and see if you qualify for any of these programs, reach out to me or one of my team members and we would be glad to help. Additionally, there are additional down payment resource funds available. For example, if you are a teacher in the medical field, a lot of times lenders actually have these programs in-house that can knock off a few $1,000s of your closing costs. So make sure you're reaching out to your lender that you're working with currently to see what type of programs and if you qualify for any of these extra additional resources that they have their hands to. If you're looking for some additional help, make sure you check out some of these resources and see if you can fit in any of these to help you when purchasing your next home. Affordability is still challenging in today's market. So if you are looking for resources to help you, reach out to me or one of my team members and we can get you connected with some of our preferred lenders or at least guide you in the right direction. Again, my name is Brandy Nichols, your local real estate expert, and me and my team is never too busy to help.